win. He is praying.
Earlier this week, I visited FEMA headquarters in Washington to thank the emergency responding personnel who are working 24/7 here in Florida and throughout the Southeast, around the nation and the world for that matter. Historic floods, intense droughts, extreme heat.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Deniers left in America. Let me tell you something, there are.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
You all see what's happening. Why are fires burning? Why are fires burning 2 million acres in California this year alone?